All right, welcome to 713 Melrose Ave here in Wilmington, Delaware, and take that in. So I'm going to do a little bit of flying, showing you the backyard. Everything is nice and green compared to the last time I was here, but you are fairly close to the river here, and that's definitely good news if you're driving around. I mean, Bellefonte has its own special charm, I will say, but cruise around, check out the neighborhood, and so the backyard, even from this drone footage, can't fully be appreciated. There is a massive side yard, a big backyard with plenty of parking, and that is one of the main advantages here on the outside. On the inside, you're going to need a little bit of TLC, but honestly, when you start running the comps and looking at other 2-bedrooms or even some 3-bedroom places in the area, this one's going to have a lot of value. So there we are, flying right in and right down, and just taking in the view of that river that I mentioned. So legitimately, 6 or 7 streets down, that's, how to get down there. And there you go. So we're going to give you the interior tour, and we're going to take it from there.
All right, here we are to coming soon 713 Melrose. Big backyard, and going to be somebody's new home. So let's show you everything we got going on here. So large front porch, as you can see, and we'll head right on in. And a nice little walkway here. Will be a little bit more work done before this one goes live, but here we go. So big room here, hardwood floors. Gonna need some TLC in my personal opinion, but check that out. Into the dining room. You know what, we're just gonna go straight through. So into the kitchen, and the kitchen has a mudroom there, and a nice little dining nook here, or bonus room if you really wanna make it into something different. Basement's down there. I'll show you that momentarily, but here we are. So you'll see it from this angle. Here we have the 2 main bedrooms. So bedroom number 1, we'll bring you back, bathroom, and bedroom number 2. And the bathroom is, I believe, a 1-piece shower. Well, multiple sections. But there you are. Toilet and sink over here. And actually, I did want to show you some of the windows, just so you're fully in the know. So there we go. Spin you around. And by the way, there is a full attic up here that is quite massive. So if you're thinking of extra storage or something, I think that's truly, and just to be complete, look at this attic. I want you to see all aspects of this house. So it looks like a whole house fan. I'm gonna spin around. Who knows if somebody really wants to, but you raise the roof on this, you got a lot of space. But obviously, always do your own due diligence. And over here too. So there we are. We'll bring you down. So here, let me spin you around one more time. We'll take you out the back door, show you a little bit of that. And spoiler alert, basement's a walkout basement. So I do want to show you that. We did have heavy rains down here. So do have a little bit of water. But let me take you through here. There you are, and there's the walkout. So your laundry's down here as well. That walks right out to the side yard. I'll point it outside. There you are. We do have oil, as you can see there. And that's pretty much it for the basement. So now we'll actually head on outside. So into what I'm gonna call the mudroom area here. Nice little storage. And you have a deck. So here's the deck. Now I will tell you, you've got a lot of parking. Because you can pull in and park here if you really need to. And you have a long driveway. And then that nice little space back there. So taking the yard, I'll spin you around and show you everything here. And this side yard is actually quite large. So I'll at least take you down to the walkout basement so you can see. But here we go. So fenced in. And there is the walkout basement. So you're here, your ground level. Which again, if you want to finish it or do something down the road, have at it. There we are, big backyard there, hangout spot. And tell you what, I'll leave you right there.